To check for good faith violation on Webull, start by understanding what good faith violation is. Good faith violation, or GFV, occurs when a trader fails to cover or close a short sale position within the designated time frame, typically 3 days. This can result in penalties and restrictions on the trader's account. First, log into your Webull account and navigate to the trade section. From there, locate the short sale position you want to check for good faith violation. Webull typically flags accounts with potential GFV issues, so look for any notifications or warnings on your account dashboard. Next, review the trade details to confirm if the position is indeed at risk of GFV. Check the trade date and the settlement date to determine if the 3-day window has been exceeded. If the position is still open and the settlement date has passed, it may be considered a good faith violation. To avoid GFV, it is essential to close or cover the short sale position before the settlement date. You can do this by buying back the same securities you initially short sold, or by depositing the required funds to cover the position. Best practices to avoid good faith violation include closely monitoring your short sale positions, setting reminders for settlement dates, and maintaining sufficient funds in your account to cover potential losses. It is also crucial to understand Webull's specific rules and regulations regarding short sales and GFV. In the event of a good faith violation, Webull may restrict your account, limiting your ability to trade. To resolve the issue, you will need to close or cover the position and pay any resulting penalties. It is essential to take immediate action to avoid further restrictions and potential account suspension. By understanding good faith violation and taking proactive steps to manage your short sale positions, you can avoid penalties and restrictions on your Webull account. Always prioritize monitoring your trades and maintaining sufficient funds to ensure compliance with Webull's rules and regulations.